Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This time I'm going to teach you how to use the record media in order for you to record your PC screen in FILMORA9 video editing software. Let's start. Let's open the software, and from here, menu tab, you choose File, and you choose Record Media, and then Record PC Screen. As you can see here, it appeared this status of our media recording. But first of all, this kind of option will be appeared here on your screen. You can choose, there is a drop button, you can choose full screen, custom, or a target window. At this time, I've chosen a full screen. It means to say the whole part of my screen, including the task bar, window here, is included. Now, here in this part, you can see the actual size of your screen. In here, the kind of speaker you are using. In here, the kind of microphone you are using. But most of the time, we are using a video camera with already integrated microphone. And let's hide this, and let's open the open recorder. As you can see, we are in the progress of recording, and let's open the software. As you can see here, and the moment you click the stop button, our recorded media will be appeared here on our media project, and you can edit anytime as you wish, or you cut that part of the recorded media that you are not going to put on your project. And to continue our project, what we did before, as you can see here, the project what we did before has been already placed here on the media project. Let's try to put here the timeline project, and let's try to play it. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This time I'm going to teach you how to use the record media in order for you to record your PC screen in FILMORA9 video editing software. Let's start. Let's open the software, and from here, menu tab. I hope you learned something from my video tutorial, and please subscribe and click the bell button in order for you to follow what is the new tutorial video that I'm going to teach you. And thank you for watching, and God bless.